Wide open skies meets wide open living, set on a corner lot that backs into peaceful prairie.
This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an attached 2-car garage, and you have the rare opportunity to currently have nothing behind this home. It is wide open prairie. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Haley Crow with Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. Today we're at our new listing, 5408 Antelope Drive in Bar Nunn, Wyoming.
Let's go look around.
Welcome inside. You can see this is a large living room with lots of space for seating for everybody.
This home is also set up for main floor living because the laundry room is down the hallway. Also, there are vaulted ceilings. This living room flows into the dining room and to the kitchen.
This kitchen was built for lots of cooking. It has lots of counter space and even a double oven and all black appliances.
On the main floor, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, including the primary suite. And this is where the washer and dryer is. Washer and dryer are included.
This primary bathroom is very convenient. It's got an open vanity for someone to be getting ready and another person can be getting ready in the back. And it has a large walk-in closet.
This home has some new carpet and new luxury vinyl planking. All 3 rooms are spacious, and the hall bathroom is also located near the living room for guests.
The downstairs is just as big as the upstairs. A 4th spacious bedroom with its own attached full bathroom, a massive second living room, and a flex room that could be a workout room, home office, or hobby space.
And if you need a 5th bedroom, you can carve out space right here. There's room for a closet. It has an egress window, and then you still have all of this space for a living room.
And we can't forget how great this closet is.
Can you imagine sitting on this patio, drinking coffee in the morning or drinking wine at night, looking out on the prairie, and if the sun is shining too bright, you open the sun setter.
It even has the technology where if the wind starts blowing too hard, it automatically goes right back in.
Y'all, the camera dude was right. It covers almost the entire patio. You can have more than just a couple people under here. Right now, it is so hard to find fantastic grass. This grass is fantastic and it has a sprinkler system.
3 more things we wanted to tell you is there's 2 sheds, lots of RV parking, and a garden area. I'd love to show you this home. Call or text me today.
Remember, we want you to live where you live. See you soon.